I'm Chef William Dissen from the Market Place restaurant in Asheville, North Carolina. Today I'm going to be making soft scrambled eggs with Mountain Valley sparkling water and caviar. I love soft scrambled eggs, one of my favorite breakfasts. Super easy to make. We really like to elevate the eggs by adding Mountain Valley spring water and sparkling water to it. When the water and the eggs hit the pan, those little sparkling water bubbles expand and it really makes the fluffiest, lightest eggs. We love to top it off with just a little bit of caviar and you get that nice salty sea flavor on the eggs that just really takes it to that next level. So let's get started with the recipe. Before we get into the eggs, one of the first things I like to do is get our toast ready. Got a really nice sourdough loaf of bread here. I'm gonna cut a nice slice and we'll toast it up for the base for our eggs. We're gonna take a nice peeled piece of garlic and just brush down our bread to give a slight garlic flavor to it. And then I've got some nice olive oil and we're just gonna pour a little bit of that over the top. I've got my pan on medium heat here. I'm just gonna flip this over and let that cook slowly. Put a little piece of butter in here and that'll help toast it up too. All right, nice and golden brown and delicious. Flip that over, backside a kiss. Got some really beautiful eggs from my buddy Rick's Chicks outside of Asheville. So we're gonna give these a little crack. Take it on the flat side and crack it, make an indention and then get in there and then break it wide open like that. So we've got 3 eggs here. We're gonna whisk these until everything is nice and homogeneous and together. I'll take a little fine mesh sieve, strain it through. I like to do it so it keeps everything nice and together. Take the cider hand and just kind of shake it a little bit and that will get all the rest of the egg through there. So we're heating our pan up here. I'm gonna take about a tablespoon of olive oil and put in here. I take a paper towel and just gently wipe all the oil into the side of the pan like this. Got some great Mountain Valley sparkling water. We're gonna do about 1 tablespoon of sparkling water per every 2 eggs. So we got 3 eggs, so we're gonna do about 1.5 tablespoons. And then whisk that in. I've got a tablespoon of butter also that I'm gonna add in here, and that will add for a little bit of creamy texture also into your eggs. So I've got the pan on medium heat. Add these in here. Hear a little sizzle. You can see it start to get really nice and fluffy, and that's that sparkling water that's really helping the eggs get nice loft. Right as this is starting to set here, I'm gonna pull the pan off the heat. We're gonna continue cooking because the pan is still hot, and that's gonna make this really soft, light, and fluffy egg. Now I'm gonna season it with just a little bit of kosher salt, a little bit of black pepper on there, and we're just gonna stir that through gently. That's it, perfect soft scrambled eggs made with sparkling water. Got some really nice chives here. I love the oniony flavor this adds onto the eggs. Look at that, nice and creamy, fluffy, beautiful. And then we've got some really nice Passmore ranch caviar. Some nice chives to finish it up with. Breakfast of champions right here. I'm William Dissen with the Market Place restaurant in Asheville, North Carolina, and these are my soft scrambled eggs with Mountain Valley sparkling water and caviar.